Okay, Meshketeers, welcome to my mess. As you can see, I've tidied up, especially for you, Andy. I think you'd be proud of me, mate. Anyway, I've got a garden solar powered light, and I'm going to be using it for my Meshtastic node when I put it out my mum's. So at the moment, obviously it's quite dark, there's no battery connected, and I'm getting, what's that, not 2 of a volt, which is nothing really. And so if I introduce a bit of light to the solar panel, bit more, we can see that the solar panel works, which is good because it means that this, which has been a pain in the ass, which is my little power conditioner for my battery, it means it works. So I'm just going to leave that like that. So it's producing some electricity, and I'm just going to stick this crocodile clip on here. I'm not. Oh God, I hate astigmatism. So that's my battery. Now we're getting 4.1. So in theory, the solar panel will charge the battery when it's low on voltage, and it'll keep the little Raspberry Pi thingamajigger alive. So that's the next bit.